Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to book your practical driving test in the UK. Now all we need to do is to go into our browser right here and then just type in gov.uk/book right here and then practical driving test. So gov.uk/book-practical-driving-test. This will go ahead and open this up and then just go ahead and click on book your driving test right here. Now this will give you all the information that you need, so you can go ahead and book your driving test for your car, motorcycle, lorries, buses, coaches, and any other, if you want to be an approved driving instructor as well. Before you start, go ahead and read through this. You can take a look at, you need to go ahead and make sure that you have all of this. So your driving license, so this will be your provisional, a credit or debit card, as well as your driving instructor's personal reference number if you want to check if they're available. Now you must also make sure that you have lived in England, Wales, and Scotland for at least 185 days in the last 12 months before taking the test. And then there are additional information right here as well if you need. Now what we're going to do is you can also check the cost right here by clicking on this link. Now this will give you information as to how much this would cost in terms of your driving test. So it's £62 for weekdays, £75 for weekends. Now let's go ahead and click on start. Now this will open up a new page for you, and then here are all of the details that you will need to go ahead and do. One is the type of test that you need, the license details, so make sure that you have your license, the actual test date, test center, test time, your details, card details, confirmation of pay, and then it would be all done right here. Now if you go ahead into this, go ahead and select the type of test that you have. So say for example car right there, and then you need to go ahead and add your driving license number. So for you to know where your driving license number is, go ahead and get your provisional license, and then it will be on the 5th column right here. So it'll be on the 5th column. So go ahead and take and add this in. So again, take a look at your provisional driving license and then add in your information right here. It should be around 16 characters long, or for Northern Ireland license holders, it'll be about 8 numbers long. So go ahead and add in these details. Now you'll need to go ahead and answer these questions. Have you been ordered to court? Either yes or no. And then any special requirements. So if you have any disabilities or condition, pregnancy, if you need a Welsh speaking examiner, then just go ahead and add in the information you need in here. Now I won't be able to go forward from here because I don't have a provisional license. So just go ahead and go through this. Once that you have entered your provisional license and all of this information, just go ahead and click continue. Go ahead and select the test date that you prefer, and then select the test center that you prefer, the test time. Don't forget to add in your details. So it is necessary that you add in your details, exactly what it says on your provisional license. So things like your last name, your full name, and your date of birth. Make sure that these are all copied exactly what it says on your provisional driving license. So it will be your last name on the first row, second row is your first name, and then your age and all of this right here. Now go ahead and add those in, and then don't forget to add in your card details from your debit card or your credit card, and then confirm the pay itself. Once that it has confirmed, then you would have gone ahead and booked your driving test. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.